Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, good morning.
How can I help you, ma'am?
We would like to book a room for two.
Alright, so let me check the available room first. Okay, so our available room, ma'am, is standard, economy, and deluxe. Which do you prefer, ma'am?
Standard room.
Alright, a standard. Okay, and what do you prefer to pay, ma'am? Is it cash or a card?
Of course.
Alright, your room number, ma'am, is 402, and here's your key.
Right this way po. This is your room po, ma'am. Room 402 po. This is your type of room, standard po. Ito po and this is your fridge for you to store all your goods. And right there po is your bathroom po. And if you have any concerns, please feel free to ask po. And please do not lose this key card because this also serves as your access po to the room po.
Thank you.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Hello, good morning. How can I help you, ma'am?
I would like to order 2 pieces of chicken, one sliced steak, and camrings.
Okay, I have a picture order, ma'am. 2 pieces of chicken. Excuse me. 2 pieces of chicken, a slice of cake, and cocktail, right? So is there anything do you want to add, ma'am?
Nothing.
Alright, so we will serve it as soon as possible, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Room service. Mom, this is your order. 2-piece chicken, a piece of cake, and a cocktail.
Okay, thank you.
If there's anything I can help.
Nothing. Thank you. Happy to serve you, Mom. Enjoy your stay. Okay, thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We would like to check out.
Alright. Thank you for staying in our hotel, ma'am. Have a blessed day. So, our available room naman is economy, standard, and deluxe. Which do you want to check?
Utang gulat ako. Gulat ako kuya.
Which do you want?
If you have...
Huwag kayo titingin dito.